Assalamu alaikum everybody, how are you doing? Today let's create a salad bar at home, a healthy salad bar, and I am making three kind of salads which are very simple and random. Just the thought came in my brain and I was like, okay, let's arrange the ingredient and start. So we are making kale and apple salad, guys. First off, we will start with that kale and apple salad. Then we will make a yummy chickpea salad, and then I will make a corn salsa, which is personally my favorite. But the good part of this recipe is that you can less or more the ingredients. It's totally your choice. So you don't really have to have certain ingredients, and every ingredient would be like a random handful. So don't require a measuring cup or exact measurements. So let's start with the first recipe, which is kale and apple salad. So to start with, let me show you this bowl. I hope you can see it clearly. I have handful of chopped kale. I washed it and chopped it like in small pieces, and I have one apple Macintosh I have taken, and this one is also chopped with peel on, and I'm gonna throw it in my mixing bowl so that I can mix it well in a larger bowl. Add some sliced radish. Okay, sliced radish. I have like two small slices of radish, not too much. Okay, everything is like random, not measured very accurately. Then I have, this is cranberry and walnuts and some sunflower seeds. I've added kale, apple, radish, walnut, cranberries, some sunflower seeds, some walnuts. Very healthy salad, guys, packed with flavor, packed with nutrition. What I'm gonna do, I will just make simple vinaigrette with a little addition of my own favorite flavors. So let's start the vinaigrette, or you can call it salad dressing. Alright, I am starting with vinegar. So I'm taking, let's say, 4 tablespoons, because I will be randomly throwing a dressing in more than one salad, so I'm making a lot. 4 tablespoons of vinegar. Okay, same amount of extra virgin olive oil. Eyeballing it. So I'm just adding crushed red chili, it's optional. Salt to taste. Black pepper, homemade. This is homemade, not store-bought. In salads I prefer homemade, but you can always use if you are have not too much time, then you can always use store-bought too. 1 tablespoon full of grainy Dijon mustard. Let's just use the whisk. So olive oil, 4 tablespoons. Okay, same amount of vinegar, salt and pepper to taste, crushed red chili, Dijon mustard, around 1 tablespoon to make it strong. Almost ready, and I will kind of try to taste it. It's gonna taste really strong, but I will try to taste it. Now, to give it a more a power packed flavor, I will add pinch of dry garlic powder. Of course, garlic powder is dried, guys, sorry about that, but you can use freshly crushed garlic too. So Tabasco is my favorite sauce in the dressing, and I think a little goes a long way and gives a lot of flavor, and it has some strong smell, which not everyone likes, but if you like, please do add. You will love it. Sprinkle some salt and some pepper on the salad as well. So I would say 3 tablespoons. Let's mix it in. I will just have a taste, and then we can check that does it require any more. Okay, this guy is done. Chickpea salad. Chickpeas I have taken 1 cup full. You are most welcome to use homemade chickpeas, like boiled at home in your instant pot or pressure cooker or whatever you wanna use. Let's start with coating of spices on the chickpea, then we will go for right. So 2 tablespoons of olive oil goes in our wok, and what the idea behind is just to coat the chickpeas with some spices, and then we will add the veggies and the dressing. Alright, so just wait for it to get a little hot, and then I'm gonna throw in my chickpeas. So the oil is hot. Just a little tossing. Chili powder, always you can replace it with paprika. I am okay with some kick, some spice level, so I went with red chili powder, and I'm gonna use half teaspoon of cumin powder. So a little bit of garlic powder, you can use fresh garlic, and some Italian herb, or if you have oregano you can use that too. So I will just use one teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of garlic, one teaspoon of red chili, cumin, and then fat pinch of Italian herb. Okay, there goes all my spices. You don't really have to cook it for long. That's how it should look. Wait for the raw veggies to go in, because if we throw in the raw veggies in this gonna get soggy. Just throwing in handful of veggies. Okay, no really like a specific measurement. Handful of carrots, some red onions, some green onions, cucumber, a little bit of cucumber because I had a really small cucumber in my fridge, half tomato. It was a one large tomato, so I'm adding half because I have to save some for my salsa too. And then maybe some coleslaw, handful of coleslaw. I'm using my hand. And then we will add our master ingredient, which is our chickpea. Let's pour in all the chickpeas. Now I'm adding my dressing. Let's start with 3 tablespoons, and we will see if we require more. Alright, tasting time. So I have added the dressing and all the spices and everything. Bismillah. Very nice, very good. Chickpea salad ready. Let's throw it in our dish. Salad medley. Taking 1 cup of corn, throw it in. This is my favorite salad. Any kind of salsa salad, I love it because it gives me vibes of our desi kachumar salad, and the Mexican salsas are amazing as well. They match our like taste buds, and the flavors are kind of same. Shallots. So I'm not getting shy to add all the remaining shallots, all the cucumber, spring onion, remaining spring onion, some coleslaw, let's say handful of all the veggies as I told you before. So this guy needs to be cut as well. Ripe avocado tastes so nice. Needed. Just scoop it right from the peel. I just scooped the avocado right in my salad bowl. And my corn salsa has the base of corn. Of course, the corn is the main ingredient. So I took 1 cup, 1 tomato, half tomato I would say, some cucumbers, some carrots, some cabbage, shredded cabbage, some jalapeno. I'm just chopping it in a small bit so that it doesn't get super hot. Okay guys, so for dressing I will just add some extra flavor first, then we will pour in the dressing. So because salsa has to have a very strong flavor, so let's begin with cumin powder on top of the veggies. I am adding, let's say, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, some garlic powder, a fat pinch I would say, And then I'm gonna add my crushed chili, always optional. Lemon juice. Salsa is incomplete without lime juice, sorry, not lemon, lime juice. Incomplete without the flavor of lime. Salt, and then mix it in. Then I will add my dressing. So one dressing, so many salads made. It's already looking so nice. And now goes in my dressing. Perfect dressing for 3 full plate of salad. For, I would say, these salads, one salad is enough for 3 people. You can easily make 3 portions of one salad. So basically the amount I have made is enough for 6 people. Why waste this 1 tablespoon of dressing? I'm just pouring it in and all is gone. Okay, whatever space I have, I'm gonna pile it. You can use the crackers of your choice, homemade croutons, some toasted pita if you want, maybe some nachos. So totally up to you. Some meat, so many options. There you go, 3 salads with 1 dressing. I promise you, different flavors, different taste. Not that we made 1 dressing so the salad is gonna taste the same. And for now, this guy is right here for me to enjoy. Thank you. See you again. Bye.